हर साल यूपीएससी एथिक्स में 3 कोड बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, दैट इज 30 मार्क्स। अगर आप इसमें अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो 120 प्लस आप भूल जाओ। तो टुडे व्हाट वी विल सी, व्हाट इज द स्ट्रैटेजी दैट इज फॉलोड बाय द टॉपर्स। इस साल जैसे ए राजा, व्हाट ही फॉलोड, एक्सीलेंट वे ऑफ अप्रोचिंग कोड बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस। व्हाट डज शक्ति दुबे फॉलोड, व्हाट डिड अनिमेश प्रधान फॉलोड। विल सी द प्रोसेस ऑफ कोड बेस्ड क्वेश्चन। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, this question, the quote says, the strength of a society is not in its laws but in the morality of its people. तो यहाँ पर when we are reading the quote, it is very important, comma and but is very important. इसका reason यही है कि what comes after comma and but is the most important section. Now we have identified the quote or understood the quote. अब हम इसकी approach समझते हैं। देखिए, everybody will have a different approach probably. But one of the commonest approach and one of the most rewarding approach is this, कि first we will introduce by discussing about the author. तो author यहाँ पर स्वामी विवेकानंद है। Swami Vivekananda is known for what contributions? We'll write very briefly. He is known for character building. He is known for Daridra Narayan concept, right? Very briefly we will talk. Not more than 16 to 17 words. वो introduction में बोलकर उसको complete करेंगे. Second, we will explain the meaning of the quote. Again, not much weightage has to be given, 2 to 3 points, maximum 30 to 40 words, right? In this particular case, we'll explain what the quote means. So, society's strength lies not in the coercive law. Coercive law, it does not lie in coercive law, but in the citizens' internalized morality, right? Once we have mentioned this, then we will come to the most important section of the answer, relevance in contemporary times. Why this particular quote is important today? Swami Vivekananda had spoken 100 years ago, but wo particular quote, why it is important, we'll understand, right? Integrity, not PCA, that is Prevention of Corruption Act 88, alone checks graft. It is integrity also does that. Example, IS U Sagayam. If you have not heard about it, please do a Google search. Second, public morality drives change. It is just not law, public morality. Example, the city of Indore. For 8 consecutive years, it is because of public morality, it was declared as the cleanest city in India. Teesra, conscience is a greater driver than coercion. What is the fourth point? Moral fabric stronger than law, right? Last but not least, civic duty over mandate. And finally, we will end by saying law does what? It is a basic lowest common denominator that preserves the society. But what is morality? Morality breathes life to society.